Hey everyone, so you want to make some extra cash, huh? Well, today I'm going to share with you some killer apps that pay you to do everyday activities. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive in. First up, we've got Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays you for doing things you probably already do online, like watching videos, shopping, or even just searching the web. It's super easy to use and you can cash out through PayPal or snag some gift cards. Personally, I love how effortless it is. Next on the list is Rakuten. This app gives you cash back on your shopping. All you've got to do is shop through their links, and boom, money in your pocket. I mean, who doesn't love getting paid to shop? Now, if you're into fitness, Sweatcoin is a game changer. Sweatcoin pays you for walking. Yes, literally walking. The more steps you take, the more Sweatcoins you earn, which you can then swap for cool stuff like gadgets or even cash. Time to lace up those sneakers. Up next, we have Foap. If you enjoy snapping photos with your phone, Foap lets you sell those photos to brands and individuals. It's a fantastic way to turn your hobby into a side hustle. Just upload your pics, and if someone buys them, you get paid. Easy peasy. And don't sleep on TaskRabbit. This app connects you with people who need help with all kinds of tasks, from assembling furniture to running errands. You can choose what gigs you want to take on, and the pay can be pretty sweet. Plus, you get to help out your local community. Lastly, check out Dosh. It's a cashback app that automatically gives you cash back when you shop at partnered stores. All you need to do is link your credit or debit card, and it does the rest. Super convenient, right? So, there you have it. Whether you're shopping, walking, snapping photos, or just browsing the web, these apps can help you earn a little extra money on the side. Give them a try and see how much you can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks. Catch you later.